What's up, family? Welcome to DDINS Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to it. What's up, family? So for this bourbon chicken recipe, you're going to need oil, garlic, chicken, water, apple juice, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup, cornstarch or cornmeal, red crushed peppers, ginger, and brown sugar. This is a very easy and simple recipe, and without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And we're going to spread this around so it can cook evenly. And today I'm using chicken thighs. It holds more flavor. And we're going to add in 1 pound of our chicken thighs now. And we're going to cook this down to this. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove the chicken from the pan. With the same pan, we're going to add 1/3 cups of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of apple juice, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 cup of water. And we're going to go ahead and mix this in evenly, you guys. It is that simple, and we're almost done. Okay, next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. That's 1, 2. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of red crushed peppers, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and we're going to mix that in, you guys. And you want to mix this in until the cornstarch or cornmeal dissolves. Next, we're going to go ahead and add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And now we're going to mix this in until this dissolves. Alright, you guys, and while we are getting this dissolved, let's go ahead and hear some quick facts. Where was bourbon chicken originated? Bourbon chicken is a dish named after Bourbon Street, New Orleans, Louisiana, and for the bourbon whiskey ingredient. This dish is commonly found in Cajun-themed and Chinese restaurants. Pretty cool. Okay, so at this time, we're going to go ahead and add our 1 pound of chicken thighs in. And we're going to let this cook, depending on if you have a gas or electric stove. You're going to let this cook down for about 20 to 30 minutes. Until it comes out looking like this, you guys. That looks beautiful. You guys did this. Okay, and one more quick tip. If you do not like hot bourbon chicken, skip the red crushed peppers part, okay? All right, let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Today I'm using linguine noodles and steamed vegetables. And let's go ahead and add in our bourbon chicken. That looks great. However, I can't eat this today because I did make this for somebody. But look at that. That looks beautiful. Well, hey, you guys, thank you very much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 DDINS and to our next food adventure. Peace.